Flying a plane is no different than riding a bicycle. Just a lot harder to put baseball cards in the spokes. First, I want you to get the feel of the plane. Later, we'll run down the landing procedure. All right, now I want you to disengage the automatic pilot. Watch out you don't make any violent control movements like you did in the fighter plane.
All right, I'm going to unlock the automatic pilot.
Just remember, the controls will feel very heavy compared to a fighter. Now, don't worry about that. It's perfectly normal. Now, one more thing. Is somebody there who can work the radio and leave you free for flying?
Yes, the stewardess is here with me.
Good. Have her sit in the co-pilot seat.
Elaine, we want you to sit in the co-pilot seat.